What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a morning miners update, guys. Good freaking morning. Hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you are. Guys, we have just a couple like quick morning miner updates, as well as I hope you all had a safe and fantastic weekend. If you were here in America, then we celebrated Memorial Day. Unfortunately, the ones that we are remembering on Memorial Day could not celebrate it with us here on the ground, but much love to all of you who may have lost someone who is no longer here, who put their life on the line. So you're all out freaking standing. FA to all of you, and of course we love and miss you all. So guys, let's dig in. We actually got approved for the Nhash affiliate. So now down in the description below, there is an affiliate link for Nhash, and we are working on securing an ASIC to do some Bitcoin mining home content coming up here really soon. So currently working on a deal with them to secure an ASIC and get my first big boy ASIC. Like my personal first, you know what I mean? Like we have stuff at the farm and the facility has ASICs, but I've never owned a Bitcoin ASIC of my own. So this will be my first chance to own one of those, and I have a few content related ideas to kind of iron over with one of these, and I cannot wait to get it and see what we can do. Alright, so check it out down in the description below, and stay tuned for those videos that are coming out really soon for either Bitcoin ASICs or covering stuff from Nhash. On a second note, guys, Osprey, the E300 board came in, and I actually went to the post office, was there first thing when it opened. It was there. It is hashing. So now we have all three boards up and running and testing out right now. They've been running for about 25 minutes currently. Kind of was testing out the stock settings, and I also noticed that one gets a little less, like, not getting the better of the hash rate on the pool side, as well as the newer board we got is not as efficient. So I just have to running at 645 on the core, I have to run it at 650 for the voltage. So have to give it more volts than it is on the core in order to get 0 to no errors. Running 645 and 645, I actually was getting about 2% errors. So running it with just 5 over works. Now I don't know how that'll play out as we get further into the higher up in the tables, but of course I'll let y'all know as that progresses. Now guys, remember you can get an E300 from Osprey Electronics, and you can use the code, actually 3 coupon codes, we'll actually go over them right here. You can get $125 off an E300 VU35P, or you can get, if I'm not mistaken, was it $30 off an E100, which is still the VU35P model. It is just a single hashboard version of the E300 VU35P. So you're just having one hashboard instead of all 3, and you can upgrade these all the way up to a full E300. And now we also do offer a $100 coupon code for the E300 VU33P. Alright, so now you can go ahead and use the code Mykel100 for $100 off an E300 VU33P, which is around 8.8 gigahashes if you're mining Caspa. Now don't forget, guys, these coupon codes do help me and the channel out, so if you do end up getting one, please use the code. It does help your boy out. Guys, I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your week. Today was a real short, quick update. I almost actually forgot it was Tuesday because it is Tuesday and we had a holiday this weekend, so my weekend was a little thrown off. But we're here. Here's your good morning miners update. We'll catch y'all on the flip side, guys. Much love. Peace out. Stay tuned for the more updates coming out here real soon, as well as some more videos coming out later this week. We'll see y'all later. Much love. Peace out. Keep your hash rates up, your watts down low, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know every time that we go live here on the channel. We would greatly appreciate it. We'll see y'all next time, guys. Stay savage.